remarkable day in the history of Southern Sudan. It will be a step one forward for the actual implementation of the Act as it is. Not to waste your time, I would like to give you this statement. In reference to the decision made by the parties to the agreement RRC on the 10th December 2025 to link the conduct of a new population census and constitution-making process as a free condition for the conduct of general election in December 2026. And in accordance with the National Election Commission Act 2012, amended 2023, Section 41, 1, E and F, that gave the NEC powers to revert the country to use the constituencies of 2010 general elections for the upcoming December 26th election in the Republic of South Sudan. Henceforth, the National Election Commission hereby declares 102 constituencies in accordance with the 10 states and 3 administrative areas as follows. 1. Central Equatoria, 14 national constituencies. Eastern Equatoria, 11 national constituencies. Western Equatoria, 8 national constituencies. Jonglei State, 17 national constituencies, including Greater Pibor administrative area. 5. Unity State has 7 national constituencies, including Ruwen administrative area. 6. Upper Nile State has 12 national constituencies. 7. Lake State has 8 national constituencies. 8. Northern Bahr al-Ghazal has 9 national constituencies. 9. Western Bahr al-Ghazal has 4 national constituencies. Warab State has 12 national state constituencies, including Abyei administrative area. Thereafter, Section 4(1)(g), the public shall have the names and other details of their constituencies on the official gazette of the National Election Commission and in the print media. We thank all the media houses for coming to coverage of this conference on the electoral processes. God bless the people of South Sudan.